Growing sweet corn in containers at home is possible, although it may require larger containers and careful attention to watering and fertilizing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Selecting the container. Choose a large container with a minimum depth of 12 to 18 inches and a diameter of at least 18 to 24 inches. Make sure the container has drainage holes at the bottom to prevent waterlogging. Choosing the right variety. Opt for dwarf or bush varieties of sweet corn that are better suited for container gardening. Look for varieties labeled as suitable for container growing or with shorter stature. Preparing the soil. Fill the container with a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and rich in organic matter. You can also amend the potting mix with compost or aged manure to provide additional nutrients. Planting the seeds. Plant sweet corn seeds directly into the container, following the spacing recommendations on the seed packet. Sow the seeds about 1 inch deep and 6 to 8 inches apart in rows. Or follow the spacing recommendations for the specific variety you're growing. Providing optimal growing conditions, place the container in a sunny location, where the sweet corn plants will receive at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Sweet corn is a warm season crop, so make sure the container receives plenty of warmth and heat. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the sweet corn plants deeply whenever the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Container-grown plants may require more frequent watering than those grown in the ground, especially during hot, dry weather. Fertilizing. Sweet corn is a heavy feeder and requires regular fertilization to support healthy growth and abundant yields. Use a balanced fertilizer or a fertilizer formulated for vegetables. And follow the manufacturer's recommendations for application rates and timing. Supporting the plants optional, depending on the variety and size of the sweet corn plants. You may need to provide support to prevent them from falling over in windy conditions. You can use stakes or cages to support the plants as they grow. Pollination. Sweet corn requires adequate pollination to produce full ears of corn. To ensure proper pollination, plant sweet corn in blocks rather than single rows to encourage better wind pollination. You can also hand pollinate the plants by gently shaking the tassels when they appear. Harvesting. Sweet corn is ready for harvest when the kernels are plump and fully developed. Harvest the ears when the silks turn brown and dry, and the kernels exude a milky liquid when pierced with a fingernail. To harvest, simply twist the ears downward and pull them from the stalk. By following these steps and providing proper care, you can successfully grow sweet corn in containers at home and enjoy delicious, homegrown corn on the cob all summer long.